At Sutter Health, we are proud that a commitment to the community is at the core of our mission. Through strategic and innovative partnerships, we are able to improve health and wellness in the communities we serve. And while we support hundreds of community initiatives that span the entire continuum of care, in this video, we want to take a moment to show you some of our programs that specifically support kids.
Sutter Health has been a partner of ours for a long time. They realize that the impact the club makes in the community and raising the overall health to underserved populations, and wanted to figure out the best way they could support the clubhouse. We want kids to be active, to learn what nutrition is, and then it's really important to us to keep the kids physically active as well. So it fit right in line with Sutter's drive to have a healthy community.
This project wouldn't have gotten built without so many people supporting the Boys and Girls Club.
When kids have challenging times and we have people who support the club, then the club can be there for the kids.
We're hosting a clinic for kids. It's a beautiful day, so no place that I'm sure a lot of these kids would rather be.
Really excited. Yeah.
It's awesome.
You can tell by the look on their face they're so excited to be here, and we're excited that we're able to help them do this clinic.
Good job!
This gives you a chance to get some fresh air.
We can just run and play, and I love it.
We've had Little League camps, but something like this where it kind of brings everybody together along with Sutter Health. This is the first time we've done that, and we're going to continue to do this for years to come.
Unconditional education was founded on the question of how can we build the internal capacity of public district and charter schools to be able to support students holistically and be able to provide them support in getting their diverse needs met. Because of Sutter, we're on track to provide over 100 training and professional developments to educators throughout the Bay Area.
The sessions with them have just made me understand myself better and then understand my kids better, and then the whole classroom community just kind of falls into place. You're gonna find one partner. How many partners?
One.
The biggest game changer is seeing behavior as a form of communication. What is the student actually trying to communicate, and what needs are not being met?
If a student doesn't have their basic needs met, like housing, food, they're not going to be able to be their highest self. Understanding the why on why students are acting the way they are helps you identify the needs and helps you address the needs of the student.
A foundational goal is to instill hope and joy. And I think when school feels like a safe, inclusive environment, that's hope right there.
In Stanislaus and San Joaquin County, there are a lot of areas that are considered food deserts. And what that means is that there isn't access or adequate access to a regular grocery store where people can go in and get the food that they need. We look to partner with schools that are in areas like this specifically because we want to make food equality a thing where people can actually come and get the healthy food options that they need.
We have families that line up 2 hours before distribution. We are already lined up at least 50 cars deep all the way around the corner.
The financial gift that Sutter provides to us goes so much more than just building a program or paying for a driver. It allows us to purchase thousands upon thousands of pounds of fresh produce that is given to these children on a daily basis. And some of these kids don't get that every day because apples aren't readily available. But now, because of partnerships like Sutter, they are.
You'd be surprised at how many young people ages 12 to 24 are alone and on the street every night in Sonoma County. When there was 1,100 after the Great Recession in 2008, that's when the community came together again and said, we need to do something.
SAY leadership started talking to Sutter leadership, and there was this movement to develop the Dream Center.
I think the most precious gift that we could ever get is a home. And Sutter provided our youth a place that they can call home, a place that they can feel safe.
They could have done a lot of things with this property, and they chose to invest back in the community.
Since opening the Dream Center, we have permanently ended homelessness for 558 young people throughout Sonoma County.
Quantifying everything that we do, it's really difficult. What we can say is there's a young person who slept here tonight that was not on the street, and that is a win in itself.
We have a long-standing partnership with Healthier Kids Foundation. They're screening hearing, vision, dental.
We started our My Health First wellness screening during the pandemic, so we had to do it by Zoom with the children.
The My Health First screenings are important to make sure that we identify any health issues so that they can be addressed quickly.
Our first year, we screened 462. This year, we're at about 3,200.
We serve a community that has a lot of needs. We're thankful for the resources that Healthier Kids Foundation brings to the table in ensuring that we connect the families with those resources.
Sutter Health is really thinking about the future when they invest in us, because they know we're all about prevention.
We appreciate Sutter Health being able to support Healthier Kids Foundation. Their support to the community is very, very important.
At Food Literacy Center, our mission is to inspire kids to eat their vegetables. We go into Title I elementary schools and we teach hands-on cooking and nutrition programs. Today, we're celebrating the ribbon cutting of Food Literacy Center, but there's a second part of this project that is not finished, and that's the 1 acre that's behind us. Everybody's very, very excited, but it's got a big price tag on it. We want kids to come into this space, experience peace, experience joy, to be able to sort of let their anxiety go for a moment. Sutter Health came out for a tour, and next thing you know, I'm getting a call that they are going to fund the entire project.
Sutter Health is contributing $500,000 to finish the project.
It's extremely exciting to partner with Sutter Health on this project because they get it, and they also have a vision of a world where health is equitable. That is a powerful partner.
At Sutter Health, we know it's important for children to have early, positive experiences and build healthy habits from a young age. Programs like these achieve those goals and help us improve the lives of thousands of kids each year.